Hello, good morning everybody. I hope you are having a good morning. We've come to the end of the week. Today is Friday, the 21st of August. So we'll start off our analysis with the Euro USD. We check the 4 hours. We check the first. This chart is a very good trend from the bottom. We have a trend line that runs all the way. So this looks to me like a good support. Then the price continued up, it came down as a support, continued up. We expect it to come back to the same place. Then it should bounce off from that point to the upper side. So technically, we want a buy when the price gets to this level. When the price comes back to that trend line, then that will be the best place where we want to look for a buy from. So the next chart we'd like to look at is FreshForex. Yesterday is bearish somehow. We have an active downtrend. The reason I'm saying that is because this is a trend line that runs all the way from this point. You can see it's pointing downwards. Then we have one from the top. This too is pointing downwards. So as long as the price is held within this range, we actually are waiting for either continuation to the upside up to the upper trend line so that we pick a sell, or a continuation to the lower side up to the lower trend line, then we pick a buy. Either way, we want a sell from this point or a buy from the lower trend line. If the price breaks any of these levels, then we're going to look for a continuation trend. The next chart we want to look at is GBP/USD. Yeah, sorry, GBP/USD, we have it here. The GBP/USD, so far we are upwards. You can see whatever is happening now. The price somehow is above the high, which we had. This is the previous highest high. What we said yesterday is that when the price goes above this high, you're supposed to have taken a buy position. And remember this daily. So you're supposed to have taken a buy at this point. Fixed your stop loss below this point, expecting price to proceed upwards up to somewhere around this point. So we are still upwards. If you're on this side now, we are still upwards. Still expect price to continue to the upper side. We expect it to go up to around 1.3526. Expect it to move up to this level, where if it breaks above, then we'll expect a continuation much higher. We had a high here. Okay, the price continued up. We have another high here, which we expect price to go up to. If it breaks above, then expect it to continue much higher up to this point. The next chart is gold. Gold is bearish. We are seeing some correction. We had a buy when the price went above this point. We took a buy position. When the price went above this high, we took another buy position. And we expect price to break above this high so that it can continue buying to the upper side. If the price can successfully close beyond to 2075.58, then that will mean we are continuing to the upper side. But if the price breaks below the low, this low here, 1871.50, then that will now mean we are heading to the lower side. So the next that we look at, the next chart we look at is Brent oil. Brent oil is still consolidating. There's nothing much we can say on this one except the fact that we want a breakout above it. We have this, and then we have this. So we want a break above, a retracement, then a continuation to the upper side, or a break below, a retracement, then a continuation to the lower side. Those are the only things that we're supposed to look for. The next chart is SP500. SP500, recently we've seen price bounce off from a significant resistance. We had this here, had this here, had a resistance, we had a resistance. So we want price to clearly break above the upper line 3398.9. We want it to break beyond, retrace back, then continue to the upper. So that's what we're waiting for. For price to break above, retrace back, then continue to the upper. So as it is now, there is nothing much that you can say except for a buy. So thank you very much. That should be the end of today's session. We'll be meeting again on Monday at the same. So thank you. Stay